Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. There's this general saying that friends and family are known in trying times, times of trial moments, times of difficulty. You get to know who your true friends are. As in the indigenous people of Biafra have decided to open up their mind and their stand over what is happening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the way forward, and who they may likely be looking into very critically. But before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead. Click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has vowed to declare war on all politicians and traditional rulers of Southeast extraction if its leader Nnamdi Kanu remains incarcerated. Whoa, now that is big and that is also huge. Let's continue with the news. IPOB warned that Igbo politicians and traditional rulers will never have peace until Kano regains freedom. I, Ima Powerful, a spokesman for the group, issued the warning while rebuking the Southeast leaders over their current silence in the face of Kano's current travel. Powerful wondered why Southeast leaders would not show solidarity towards Kano like northern leaders are allegedly doing towards bandits and terrorists. In a statement signed by Powerful, the separatist group vowed to declare Southeast leaders who fail to identify with Kano as enemies. The statement reads, all along, indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has been peaceful while our members are being abducted and killed by security agents. Okay? Now, they have abducted our leader, and these so called Biafran leaders are keeping sealed lips. It is either they stand with the people or be counted among our enemies. Our leader cannot be languishing in detention while these people will pretend that all is well. Their northern counterparts are shamelessly defending Fulani bandits and terrorists rampaging communities across the country, yet these weaklings cannot speak out against the injustice against their own. Enough is enough. No more sitting on the fence. Everyone must declare his or her stand now. As long as our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, remains incarcerated in Abuja, all the politicians from ward level to federal level, including traditional rulers, stakeholders, and religious leaders, will never have peace till he comes out, except they wake up now. Following Kanu's rearrest and incarceration, IPOB, as Indigenous People of Biafra, had vowed to deal with all politicians of Southeast extraction involved in Kanu's current travel. The group had also said Southeast politicians who fail to ensure Kanu regains freedom will be dealt with. Don't forget a quick one. Don't forget that earlier in the day there was these allegations meted against some southeastern politicians, as those from the Igbo extract, the likes of Ingige, Governor Yeson Wike, the likes of Obiano, of Governor of Anambra State. Of course, Governor of Anambra State came out and debunked, saying that there was no such thing. He was never involved in it. That this such allegation is false. That people should ignore it. That the likes of the person of the president, Muhammad Buhari, does not need his permission or his intelligence to be able to, rearrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Of course, that he's a commander-in-chief and he has all the security intel at his beck and call. Okay, but right now, Mima Powerful is not saying that it's not good enough. That he wants, IPOB wants every Southeastern leader to declare their stand. Are you for? Are you against? He doesn't want now. The sealed lip is getting almost tiring for IPOB members now. They're saying, look, You can't be pretending as if nothing is happening. And things are happening. I actually noticed, not just me, but a lot of persons noticed that for Sunday Igboho, they have a way of, just notice that, you know, Sunday Igboho is still around. Nothing has happened to him because, technically speaking, he can't. He's playing it cool, and nobody's really talking much about it. And same thing is happening but that of Mazen Khan is quite strong because um, no governor is talking about it, no minister is talking about it, no governor from the southeast is talking about it, the minister is talking about it. A lot of persons are insinuating that if they talk politically, they can be incarcerated, as in if any politician from the Igbo extraction talks in favor of Mazen Namdekan, they likely may be losing juicy positions, being that a lot is at stake for them politically. Then some persons are saying if they speak against Mazen Namdekan, then they're looking for the wrath of IPP members, who also doubles to be their brethren, their brothers, their sons, their daughters. So it's a dicey one. It's like being in between uh to the devil and the WC. You don't know which to choose actually, and you choose this, you could be burnt. You choose the other one, you also could be burnt. So I think the best form is to just keep mute and allow this to whistle or to pass away. But would it? Like what IPOB Ima Powerful said. So look, the North have been shouting, look, the bandits are not, the Fulani headsmen are not evil, they're just bandits, and they've been just like using Sheikh Gumen to talk, and no one has actually, you know, arrested or even harassed Sheikh Gume over it. And me, is a sheikh, a scholar, a Muslim scholar, so nobody wants to go into those religious, buhaha. But the truth be told, uh, IPOB is no longer finding the silence funny. They're saying declare your stand, be counted for or against. And they're saying we are counting your voting. But if you ask personal opinion, I still would say that no Igbo politician or Southeastern politician from Igbo extract would react to this. A lot is at stake against and for them. Okay, so if you just say a yes, that means so you have been supporting IPB and secession and yet you want to vie for a position in one Nigeria. And if they are against, there are people who say, so all along you have been the one fighting against us. You're the one sabotaging all our effort to become a nation, be a friend nation. Then you are indeed an enemy within. So I honestly, it's a difficult one for them to count. And but it depends on eventually. It depends on how IPB pushes. But if they push hard, or trying to cause cause mayhem, or try to force them to react, I'm afraid the reaction may not totally be in favor of IPOB, because right now everywhere is tensed, everybody's watching. But if you look at Nigerian, the political terrain right now, generally things are unfolding. No one really have full knowledge of what 2023 will look like. So it's actually wisdom demands you stand where you know you're sure you'll be safe. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in that conversation.